Ready to own your Cognizant Teams meetings and ditch the tech troubles? Step 1. Locate that meeting invite. You'll usually find it in your email, calendar, or a chat message. Look for a clear indication of a Microsoft Teams meeting. Inside the invite, you'll find the golden ticket. Click here to join the meeting link. This link is your express pass straight into the meeting. Alternatively, there is also a dial-in number and meeting ID that you can also utilize if you're unable to connect via the link. Click that link and watch the magic happen. It will open the Teams application or prompt you to download the app or join via your browser if you don't already have it. Before you jump in, take a peek at the pre-join screen here. You get to manage your audio and video settings. Ensure your camera is on. If you want to be seen, click the camera icon to enable or disable it. If you are using a headset, choose your preferred microphone and speakers, and don't be afraid to test your audio and make sure everything sounds crystal clear. Finally, hit join now, and you're in. Now you can start collaborating, communicating, and contributing to the meeting like a pro. That's all there is to joining your meetings in Cognizant Teams. Remember, seamless virtual meetings are just a few clicks away.